Hello children, welcome back to Max Made Easy. Let's continue with Pythagoras Theorem, exercise 18, part 14. Here is the 14th question. Use the information given in the adjoining figure to find the length of AD. Here they have given a diagram. This is the diagram which is given by them. This is the diagram given by them and they are asking us to find the length of AD, A to D. That is this triangle. Sorry, this hypothesis, not of this triangle. From this triangle, we have to find out this length, this hypothesis length. First of all, for finding the hypothesis, you need to uh, know the side's length, right? Length of this side, that is AO and DO. But how can you get that values, because they haven't given any information about that, right? So first of all we need to find the length of AO and OD, then only you can find out A and D. So our first thing is to find out the length of DO and AO. Now just have a think children, how can we find it out? First let's write the given data. See, AB, that is complete length from A to B is 20 and C to B is 24 centimeter, D to C is 10 centimeter, and here look at this carefully, you can see a small box on the all the three sides, right? That means it should be a square or a rectangle, right? For square all the sides are equal, but have a look over here, it is DC, and even here its DC is 10 centimeter and here CB is 24 centimeter. So it means that it is a rectangle, not square, right? For the square, the opposite sides are equal, right? Opposite sides are equal. That means if CB is 24 centimeter, then even DO will be 24 centimeter. Is it true? Yes. Then if in the same case, if DC is 10 centimeter, then surely OB is going to be 10 centimeter, right? So DC is equal to OB. This both should be of same length, and this both line, that is DO and CB, will also be a same length, 24. Now we got this both. Now when we got this one, this length, and we are having the total length, is it very easy? Is it very easy to get this AO value? Yes. From this complete 20, if you remove this part, then you will get this part length, right? So what is this AB? AB means addition of O to B and A to O, right? Just substitute the value. AB is 20 is equal to AO plus OB is 10 centimeter. Now just get all the numbers to the one side, that is 10, you can get it on the other side. It becomes 20 minus 10 is equal to AO. 20 minus 10 will be 10. That is AO will be 10 centimeter. See, now we got the values, that is length of the two sides. Now you can easily calculate this hypothesis. Is it not? Now let's find the hypothesis of this right angle triangle. According to the Pythagoras theorem, we all know that hypothesis square is equal to the square of the sum of the sides, right? That is AD square is equal to DO square plus AO square, right? Now just substitute these values over here. AD square you can write down as it is, because we need to find the value of the AD square, and DO square is 24 square, AO is 10, so 10 square. Now just it is 24 square. What does it mean is 24 into 24. So it becomes 576 plus 10 tens are 100. Now just add this 576 plus 100, it will become 676. Since we need only a d value, you have to remove the square. For removing this square, you have to place a square root of 676, right? So the square root of 676 is 26. Now let's know how to find out the square root using a long division method. Just write down this 676 inside the two lines and start multiplying with 2 We have to consider 2 because 1 is 1, 2 is 4, 3 it will become more than this 6, that is 9. You can't remove uh, 9 from the 6, right? That's why we are considering 2 are 4 and write this 4 inside and just subtract it. Just put a line and add this and place 1 2 on the top, because you're running 2 are, you have to place 1 2 on the top, and here you will get the answer. 2 plus 2 will be 4, 6 minus 4 will be 2, right? And you are going to get these two numbers down, that is 276. Why we are getting this two number is, if you get only one number, it will become 27. Even with this 4, if you multiply 1 then 41 ones will be 41. So from this 27 you cannot subtract 41. So you need to get this 6 also down. Now you can just multiply it with 6. Always multiply with the same numbers, 6, 5 or 4 like that. Okay. So 46 6 is 276. Because you are multiplying with 6 twice, just put 1 6 on the top. 276 minus 276 will be 0. So our square root of 676 will be 26. I hope you understood this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and hit the bell button. Check the description box for Pythagoras theorem. Thank you.